Alright, what's good everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Omni Davi. Namhlanje ngikwatenyana because there's a lot of things happening there on social media. Ngathi kunokudelela nyana kumabhakabhaka. But lucky enough, I have two former players, one representing amabhakabhaka, one representing the Khosi Nation. I've got Sfiso Mini, the dribbling wizard. I've got Thuso Phala, Mr. Phalaza. Ngisha right ne? Phalaza. Mahotman, skipper.
We too.
I'm not too.
Sfiso ngicela uqala ngawe ne. So there's something happening on social media now. A lot of people took to the socials bathi bafana iyadliwa because of Orlando Pirates players. Because we've seen how the squad is dominated by Orlando Pirates players from defense to midfield, also in attack. We see evidence Makgopa has also been called up. So bathi the lack of goals is because of Orlando Pirates players. Bekungekho so lesikhathi dominator Masandawana. What do you have to say about that?
I think it's not really. I think as fans, I think fans always have their own opinion. When Bafana was doing well, they would say Sundowns players are making Bafana win. So I'm not speaking in terms of because I'm a Pirates supporter. But national team is a national team. You have to support it, no matter who's there and who's playing. Now, obviously, because of the Bafana is under pressure. Now you'll hear stories why so and so is not there, why so and so. But if the team was winning, all those stories were not going to be there. So I think it's fans always talking, and making sure that everyone, it's like, you can't say Pirates players because it's like how many players were playing in that game. You understand? So fans will always be fans, and everyone has his own opinion. But for me, I don't say because of Pirates players are there, I support Pirates players. So, Bafana. Everyone is
squad.
Yes, it's not like a Peche squad, a Peche squad, a Peche Pirates, and a Peche Chiefs, and a Peche Bafana. You understand? Peche Sundowns. It's Bafana. So we have to support whoever is there and make sure that we get the results that we need today.
Thuso gona le player le one la Chiefs da. Abana ba beditse Mtotozi Shabalala and lena ba mmiditse kancancazela because player ya Pirates was injured but a re nqingise Mdu again, but Mdu hasn't played yabo. So when do you think player A Kaizer Chiefs a ka kena e ka etsa ngcono feta Machita Pirates a da go squatting maybe ka re korela goal nyana mfethu?
No, I was going to be jwalo. No, for me it's not like that. Player it's a guy. I think now we just need a player who'll score for us. As I said before, we spoke about Bradley Grobler. So it was not about na player Chiefs or player Pirates or the national team just needs to get goals today and win. And coming to Mdu, it's nice to have a player from your team in the national team. But the national team is a team on its own. Like the coach has been with these guys for long. I left from Konya last time, I guess. So it's got a squad that is speed building, and he hopes that the players that he selects are doing well at their clubs. Right? So the Sundowns players who were there before, Bala, Grant Kekana, they've been playing in their team, so they can't be in a team. And then you get a boy like Mbogas, he's been doing well with Pirates, and we support the boy. Gule has been doing well, and we support the boy. So our leader Machita, so it's a about team if you really of Konya players Sundowns Kaufela, and we were proud of the guys. I never but Sundowns, but Sundowns. No, the Sundowns is playing the PSL. Against South African players also in the South African league. You understand? So we don't look at it like that. So our player guy, player national team until we malamu to then do mazama team ya kanyana ka one. But that doesn't matter. Because now it's about the country and it's about getting the results.
But when how Shebile, can I go to you, Hotman? Are there any current players playing for Kaizer Chiefs right now that you feel should have been in the national team? Maybe Baba Ropile, Kausababitsu, Wonahore, Nebatlo, it's a planning. Because come to think of it, Yaya hasn't been playing in a very long time. Wafitla, Wadlala starting lineup, and we saw he struggled because he hasn't been getting enough game time, and he made it difficult for Dave Zahoradla. So do you think maybe Nakhonali player nyana ya ku Chiefs and Kenada at least it's a plan or
I think there is one player. I think he's been doing well for Kaizer Chiefs. For me personally, Modi has been doing well. Obviously because of maybe Bafana. There's other players who are doing more than what he's doing. But I would have loved to see him there because he's been the life wire for Kaizer Chiefs for me. You understand? He's been getting there. He's been getting goals and everything that needs to. But maybe it's because of obviously the coach has to maybe choose 4 wingers and maybe Yenane will be 5. So the other wingers are doing much better than him. But as I always say, the coach knows what he wants. You know, as Tuso said now, we were speaking last week about Bradley.
Yeah.
You understand? But Bradley plays for Skuku. It's not all about Chiefs and Pirates. There's 16 teams. So not play at higher for what see. You understand? So it's a national team. Coach Tamla choose amongst those ones, but the Chiefs for me, I could have loved seeing Modi Ayada. Was this been
One player.
Modi.
Yeah?
Only one player.
Chiefs.
Chiefs, yeah.
One.
Only one.
Madra. One.
Ke freza go pressa kanyang ka Modi. Aso kori man, and already got the national team we're complaining that we don't have goal scorers. We played. Mara ke re I count.
Yeah,
Ke
but-
offside.
Se kya show, yeah.
No squatting
But
na
check.
score.
I understand. Okay. No,
Yeah.
at all, okay. So nkane ma di player tse pa tse national teaming no. Se sa kora.
Yeah.
Tsa di win.
Say 5.
It's
Mule?
it's not all about scoring.
You just asked him which player deserves
Yeah,
to be there.
Ke na le wena.
And his opinion is that now for me, Modi has been doing well, and it's just that unfortunately, maybe we'll fall up over number 5. Cody wingers will be doing well.
Yeah.
Ile police, Obo, no Pirates number
Moremi.
11. Yeah, Moremi is there also. Obo.
Yeah.
So
Wako.
I'm sure now.
Ofela batho ba boditseng ke di goal scorer.
Pirates.
Ba gora batho ba bana le goal ko bona.
Yeah, but abu ka wa Chiefs. What question? I justify why.
Ah. Ake mame
goal ko nje ba.
ake mo question gore I challenge why. The reason I brought this up is because social media took to social media and said there's a lack of goals ko Bafana because of Pirates players. So I'm asking which player ko Chiefs na ka kena a itse ngcono. So the one player ibiditse le yena a already goal.
Oh.
I understand.
Well, it's to answer the goals question.
To answer the goals question, because Renali Matata goal, and if you look at the squad right now, Lyle Foster is out, and then Hugo Bruce had the chance to replace Lyle Foster, and then he went for Ashley Cupido. That's another striker who's lacking goals. We have two strikers back orang. We have two strikers back orang right now. Bradley Grobler, Letsogo Fatso Mabas. So how do you feel about the replacement of Lyle Foster?
As I said, now Grobler fit. I spoke about Grobler from AFCON, the last AFCON. Once you have someone who's a finisher, with the national team we have, those boys, they play beautiful football. I think we haven't seen Bafana play such football in a long time. From RL 96, yellow shoes. Now, and when you have ball players, you just need a finisher. You don't need a striker who will come and attend the Luna. Because you're a ball player. You just need a finisher. And the only finisher I know, Olin thing, a finisher.
Yeah.
Mo PSL. Magopa is there because role ya high actually ya Grobler. Magopa uta the defender di Matisse kwa press, goalkeeper, but Grobler will finish. He'll finish. Grobler, that's what we need.
Yeah.
So obvious maybe coach na we bona maybe Cupido ke is younger than Grobler, maybe Sanane hore. Maybe Umela hore if I'm needed for Area World Cup. Maybe Aboni Bradley utla ba teng available because the World Cup is only next year. So maybe he's looking in a longer run. Grobler is not in his plans because of the age.
Yeah.
But for me, could have been there. Could have been different, maybe. I'd say, I'll never know. But anyway, it's football anyway. It's a game of opinions, and that's my opinion. Now in my team, in strikers, no, actually, the striker. Kitalaga the striker. Kitalaga Grob.
Yeah, I think Tuso will. But even Babas, also, you know, because there are the two players who I think can give Bafana something. Understand? Yes, Kupido meets easy because obvious everyone else on an opinion there. Then I could what's it. But about as Kichino last week, I said it last week. That if the going gets tough, and it got tough, Zimbabwe. Kimu seridlala ka di cross because tamile change because we wanted to win. But ale that ntana. Ale that.
Aheda
Makiri mamela. Almo. Mamele one na kena kampa.
Yeah.
You are koni.
Yeah.
So the Mabaso same thing because as Chuso say Bafana is playing well. Right in. But yeah, those players that we mentioned I see the players 18 down.
Finish.
I think petile we tinta bofethu.
Finishing.
Please, I'm there. Just. And now is it's hard to for Bafana to concede. So even if we get that one, what's it? Standard. Omakiwa, lovely.
That's it.
Lovely.
Bafethu, Nyazwela, all of us wanted Bradley Grobler, but Hugo Press said, no, I'm writing a different script. I'm calling Ashley Cupido. Mara some trust to Madala. He's called players that we didn't know, we didn't believe in, and those players went on to do exceptional for Bafana. So we really, really hope he knows what he's doing. Because if he doesn't, South African football fans, bazomdlalala. Sticking with Bafana Hotman, tonight Bafana host to Rwanda. Badala libona ko Mbombela Stadium, and last time ko Mbombela Stadium mo gopola re shapa celebrate kana go ravaya la World Cup kanti jikeleza ile stay home. So now it was tough for the country because har jikeleza kaofela rena jikeleza re se ha kanti sibuele muva siyasala. And if anything, we don't want history to repeat itself. What do you guys see happening tonight, and who would you like to see start for Bafana? Kobotso Makawel.
Yeah, obviously we have Mbogazi out, so home replacer. I don't know with who. Koza is there. Sundowns. Also the boy from Stellenbosch.
Replacing Mbogazi.
So replace our center back. Yaya won't start. Kenya Mbata, Tebza, it's Paul. Right? Alea Police. Up front, I'll start with Mahopa. I think because of that team, that core, he's been there, and obviously Pirates says that. Like if not only player go club over the Western team, over easier. Because players, our head up back bonang tunda atwa team yak.
Yeah.
If I not pay before na now when I say low, so to allow one every day Jimmy man. The Luna na ichuki I lose out. If I was so that thing I want 19 because but our Pirates go fella. So give Mahopa a chance. And I think also fantasy table we need to win the game.
Yeah.
Sometimes we don't have to play our striker. Understand?
Yeah.
Inside defender one, against Zimbabwe could have risked, but inside defender one. Inside defender one, Bakoba came earlier. Was really like a striker say three. Where to win the game? Kenya 3 strikers, moon. Let us where he went fit. But where to go for it? Understand?
Yeah.
So I feel like today it's also a game whereby if first half things are not going well, if it's really got 2 strikers there, it could be can get striker Kenya. Kenya 8 strikers. 1 midfielder, 1 defender. Because we need the win. Yeah. But I see us winning today because the guys knows they know what's at risk. We just have to win, and then my brother, but it's something. Yeah. So hopefully it goes away, man. Yeah.
What's happy about it? I will what's happy. Kanga ba batle
I want to hope because I hope if we lose they win.
But they know very well Ricas lose. And I can't utabo buiwa. Hey.
I don't want
Kanki one. Ba wina ba. Uthole bona ba wina. Tamele ba wina more than 2 goals.
Yeah.
Agere. Magare wina rona. Ai abana chance. Se ba kurile 2. Tla fela ka 3-2.
Rwanda ifit.
Ke mame. Penin.
Ya wa.
Ke Penin. Badal and away yake.
Ba bona ji.
That's why ke
Ulagosi.
ne re bua le thuso ka mo. Ke re Dallas mame. Ba tsaya se go bitsa Dallas. Yeah.
Marco Nigeria, I don't think.
Nigeria. So, so Nigeria wata World Cup. Let's be honest. Wata South Africa World Cup. But they phela re le phela.
Yeah.
Ra bua phela bona re tloba ditsa bona inga Nigeria sa tshwana. Unless ba wile le bona grand go.
But the thing is, Donna, now the difference that they have a chance. I'm telling you.
They have a chance ka
if Rajiwa ba winner, another chance.
Yes, akiyani.
Yes.
But if ra winner, but they have a chance. Ni second what?
Ujoba baka sepalika 2-0 baka bula 3.
Ha. Utlwa what?
Mathe.
Uzetse Africa.
No, batho ba ka ne ba le-
Uzetse Africa.
batho ba ka ne ba le ka hara Lagos.
Uzetse Africa ka dlala Africa. You know what?
Yeah,
Yeah,
but
you
if-
know my friend.
but if-
Re bone le ka CAF ka Pirates eh.
Yeah.
Re bone le ka CAF ka.
I understand.
In
So they
Africa,
know.
off the field affects the game.
Wow, what's happening? But for us, tlamehile re win.
We just have to win, yeah.
Mang with in.
It's
Just
just
have
win.
to look at ourselves and win. It's too such hero. Lena would love to see Tebza, Bata, Sport. But Sport are a bit close. Like if Kuja Kahona, whatever the opinion. Adlale close man. I'm let free or akhono cause mahopa kuyamcala. Amathise batho bale aqeda ba mathisa sipolo to shine le to dula i1 kwe akore a police a hlaye kana kam qala
Premier police.
a police
Benjankot.
isinkotha tom leader lemar asiba khathi isinkotha because lena inkotho nalku
Yeah.
they know sharp bali in but that thing about rechange
The game at pressure.
so and then move as you say pressure okay it's not easy but when I know no
Dijo di ke.
ikina komang
Rafastile.
Eh?
Rafastile.
Kirilo.
Rafastile. Dry fast.
Yeah, it's-
No
it's
food, no
tough,
water in the
tough,
past 2
tough.
days. Rafastile for Bafana
but they
Bafana.
were machi
They know.
they know
They know the mandate.
they know today ki
Do or die.
Yeah,
le
it's-
kutlile ba re ke sold out eish ba etsa
Yeah, I know.
show machita ba wina game ya bona
Yeah,
ba
yeah.
qualify
Yeah.
before re ba le mathata because I think what defense tsa po
Eish.
whatever what you did in the qualifiers and what
Ba ile bana.
ba ile bana ora man ba chita ke ona re fetisitseng o re tlo khona ho ona
be
chita mele wa bo
Yeah.
obvious motho mongwe a le jiwe ka keng e ma 3 points ya account
Arshal 3.8. Bafethu, this time can we not do the Jigeleza dance because it's Jigeleza in a party? Can we do Sfunale Mali, Sfunale Dash at least because it's a trending dance. Bafana take on Rwanda tonight. Nizwele, Palaza, Oriana Bafana straight wins. Fisomien is a bit worried. Or if Bafana win, more than Nigeria might concede on purpose because they just want to sabotage Bafana. I will hate it that much. Would like to find out from you. Personally, I'd like for Bafana to win. And obvious, Palo evidence, Mahopa evidence, prove them wrong. Ababuni Salabantu Labaguti now no goal. Mahotman, let's move on to the next.